Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine, located in Burnsville, Minnesota. Got another freshwater engine here. This is a 4-stroke. Been a little while since I uploaded, but this one is a 2013 150 4-stroke Mercury. This is the 25-inch transom. This is remote. Let's see here. It'll come with a good use control box. We can kind of figure that out, whether you have conceal mount or a standard side mount. Let's go. I don't have the hours off of this yet. We're going to plug it in once we get it out of the tank. I don't like bringing electrical up into the tank when I got cords and computer and everything else. Compression, I will get that once it's out of the tank as well. Start pulling things out. Next thing you know, you drop a screw in the tank and we got to drain the whole thing just to do a compression. It's not worth it. But we'll have that uploaded into the listing itself. This will come with the prop that is on it. That will be in the pictures. I'm not sure if this one has a stainless or aluminum on it, but it will be pictured. New spark plugs, new impeller, new oil filter, new fuel filter, new lower unit lube, and new power head oil. Fuel system was cleaned. We'll go ahead and fire this one up here. Pumping good water here. Now I'm just going to warn you, it might clunk when I put it in gear. The control box is not mounted. Makes it more difficult on me. A little harder to put them into gear right away. So it's not the engine, it's me if it clunks. And I can't rev this one all the way up. 25-inch, I will hit the bottom of the tank. If it's got a stainless prop on it, I will go through the bottom of the tank. Back to neutral. Go into reverse. Back to neutral. Go ahead and shut it off. Fire back up. There's that clunking into gear. When you go slow, which is, it's hard to get it to shift quickly when it's not mounted. Don't want to empty the whole tank out. All right, go ahead and shut it off here. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. This will be listed on our website at bmr1.com. That'll have all the information, compression, hours, all the stuff like that. Thank you, and have a great day.